Welcome to 813 Gardens. My name is Ed. Please take a second to like the video, comment, and most important, subscribe. Hey guys, we're back again. This time we're going to talk a little bit about feeding your plants. In particular, the different types of fertilizers that we use. It's taken a while, and if you look at the progression of my plants, you can see that over time they've gotten to be better and better. In fact, I think the first video that I put out, plants were not so healthy. And I have a lot of plants, but if you get the right mixture, if you get the right formula, they do flourish. So the first one I'll talk about, and it's going to be a quick video, okay? The first one I'll talk about is CalMag. This guy right here, and this is not the right container, but what I found with the CalMag container that it comes in, it's just kind of, it doesn't work. You end up spilling more of the fertilizer than anything. So I just put it in an old honey container. It's got a little spout on the top, so it comes out nice and even, and I'm not wasting any more of my precious CalMag. You have to follow the instructions. It's pretty clear. Tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, I believe, per gallon. And this I apply bi-weekly. Okay. I basically fill up a gallon jug, and with a 1 cup measuring cup, I fertilize each plant individually. I like to, as you saw in my other videos, I like to water my plants every day. I have a system, an irrigation system, but I do not use it very often because I like to water my plants and spend some time and make sure I know what's going on with them. Okay. The second and my all-time favorite is Alaska Fish Fertilizer. This guy right here comes in a 1 quart container. I buy it on Amazon. It's usually about $12-13 for a quart, and it lasts for me it lasts about 3 to 4 months, and we're pushing 90 plants at this point. So you don't need a lot of it. It's just about a teaspoon per gallon. The stuff does not smell good. In fact, it smells awful. I try to do it early in the morning. I never fertilize with Alaska Fish Fertilizer in the afternoon because I don't want my neighbors to have to smell it. But this stuff is amazing. So same thing, follow the instructions. Per gallon, 1 teaspoon, teaspoons, you have to take a look and figure that out for yourself. And I just use a 1 gallon jug and a 1 cup measuring cup. So let's get started. Okay, so very simple, just 1 cup, pour it in for each plant. This little guy's a lemon plant. We don't know what's going to happen with him. It's not doing well. But that's the only plant we have right now that's not doing great. This is 2 plants in 1 container, so I put a little bit of extra. For smaller plants, this is a seedling that's about 8 weeks old. I'll put a little bit less. Alright guys, that's the end of this short video. I just wanted to give you an idea of how I do things and what works. Tried many different things. Some products helped, but these two products, Fish Fertilizer and CalMag, have been the two products that I've found to solve all of my problems, and they also help make my plants grow. So this has been a great help. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I know that we only have a few videos at this point, but just stay with us. Every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, we'll post another video. We're in zone 10, so our growing season will be much longer. The time I'm doing this video, we're in the beginning of November, and many people across the Northeast, the rest of the country, are now no longer gardening because they can't, but I'll still be going all the way till December. So until next time, thanks.